Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to do a double recipe of a super easy pie dough. For my recipe today, I need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 600 grams, 1.5 cups of vegetable shortening, 286 grams, 2 teaspoons of salt, 10 grams, and our last ingredient, some ice water. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For today's recipe, I am using a food processor. This makes making this pie dough super easy. And I am using the plastic food blade. I'll get that on there. And then I'm going to get all of my flour into the food processor. Nice and easy. Okay, that's perfect. And then we're going to put in all of our vegetable shortening. Get that in there. Just want to spread this out a little bit. So there is no animal fat whatsoever in this shortening. It's 100%. It's 100% vegetable. Okay, that's good. I'll just pour in my salt right now. Get my top on. And now all I want to do at this point is pulse this until I see pea-sized pieces. So the pulse button is over here. I'm just going to slowly start pulsing this. I just want to bring that dough together. You just watch very carefully. And that looks pretty good. Let me just open this and check. I'm just going to look through here. I'm not going to mix it anymore. Most of it is turned into pea-sized pieces, and I'm going to leave it like that. Now, because I've used this recipe before, I know that I need 12 tablespoons of water, so I have ice cold water here. So I'm just going to start adding in my tablespoons. I believe that's 6. And 12. And that's perfect. Close it up and start pulsing. So at this point, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to remove it from the food processor. So there's our nice dough. And that did not take long at all. So this is a very large batch. So this is enough for 4 pies. I'm going to get all of this out. Oh, that dough looks amazing. And there's our dough. To get all of your dough together, and then right onto your scale to make this super easy. and I'm at 1,014 grams. So I'm going to be using this for quiche today, and I'm going to split this now into 3 dough balls. $3.39, $3.38, $3.36, and then this last one, $3.38. So all around the same. So there we go. So that's how easy it is when you're weighing out your ingredients or your dough balls. And now all I need to do is get these into plastic wrap, and you want to squish those down into a disc because it makes rolling out much easier later on. So in another video I showed you how I was wrapping these up. I'll just do the last one again on camera. So you just want to get your plastic wrap, fold it over, and you just squeeze down. That just helps out so that it doesn't stick to your hand. Just want to get it as round as you can. Just give it a little bit of a push, and you can lift your plastic wrap up. So if you leave it in a dough ball, it's just a lot harder to roll out. If you have it like this, then it's ready to go. It's so much easier to roll out. And these things here, they freeze very, very well. If you're going to freeze them, I would suggest you wrap them up like they are here, and then I would just add another coating, another layer of plastic wrap if you want to keep these in the fridge for, you know, a month or so. But anyway, there we go. So that is how easy it is to make pie dough in a food processor. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate it. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out over there at BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.